And avoid a little few reds here. Oh, he has done.
Ronnie O'Sullivan, 1.
Everybody's looking. Ronnie's looking. He tried to cover that, did Ronnie? It's a bit careless to hit the blue, really. A lot of congestion around that.
Possible he could plant this red. Yeah, well played. Now, how's your luck? Is it going to hold? Beneficial indeed. He's trying to get on it. Just needs to hold up. This looks pretty good. Yeah, excellent shot. Oh, he's unlucky. He caught the black.
5.
Just couldn't get enough bite.
Guoqiang, 5.
No, just cued across it slightly. Problem there with that last shot. He knew
1.
if he missed it, he was leaving this one. Lapse in concentration there.
Call the police, Dennis.
1.
Could do with a good 60 break. Try and salvage something from this session.
Just all going wrong. He was
8.
hampered slightly.
1. Nine. 7.
Going for the pink here, purposely. That freeze. We would have been looking forward so much to this match. Nice little shot. He brought another red into play. He's still on this. Oh, wow.
1.
I hit it all wrong. Potted the red into the...
Eight.
That's not bad. He didn't play to be on this one. He was trying to get back across. Well done.
16.
And the crucible. A lot of Ronnie supporters in Ken, but they would love to see this player.
24.
There's the pace.
No, wasn't easy, but it's gone safe.
Guoqiang, 30.
The green's in, is it? That was close to being a split ball.
gone for the double. Has he got cover? Oh. Wow.
One.
Now, what sort of an angle has he got on the pink? Yeah, he's pointing the tip of the cue, which means... Now, can he get the double this time? He tried it previously. It's there. Well done.
8. Guoqiang, 8. Thank you.
Well, that's just about all right, but it's anyone's frame. All about where he knocks the yellow. Just making sure.
2.
Don't blame him for that. Wonderful pot. What a pot that is.
Yeah, fantastic. I'd love to see this brown go down. Yeah, well played. And that will guarantee. Yeah, well played. 4 good pots in a row. Pink doesn't go in, but I'm sure Ronnie gives the nod to the referee. He certainly does.